A point is simply prepaid interest. Your interest rates typically come in eighths of a point, so like a 4.375, a 4.250. But there are a bunch of factors that go into figuring out your interest rate, such as your credit score, the loan amount, the down payment, the property type, etc. So your score rarely falls on an eighth of a point. Typically, it'll fall in between those two scores, as we have on this chart over here. So if you go up to the higher rates, you get a lender credit. If you go down to the lower rate, that's what's commonly known as a discount point. In this example, we're going to show you what it costs to buy down your interest rate one entire point. I say you, but sometimes a lender will do it without you knowing to make the offer look better, and how to determine whether you should buy down your rate or not. So at a 4.375, the closest rate to zero, you're actually getting a lender credit of $148. If you go all the way down to a 3.375, you're buying down the rate, and that will cost you $4,032. So the difference between those two rates is not $432, it is $4,180. So also we want to look at the difference between the monthly payments. So the difference between these two payments is $228.76. So now we know what it costs to buy down the rate, and now we know what we're saving on a monthly basis. So to determine if it makes sense to buy down the rate, you simply divide the cost between the two rates and the difference in monthly payment. So in this scenario, if we divide $4,180 by $228.76, we will get about 18. So that is 18 months it will take you to break even. Translation, if you're going to be in the home more than 18 months, it most likely makes sense to buy down the rate. Obviously, there are other factors. Money now is worth more than money in the future. So you may not want to buy down the rate. You may want to put money towards a refrigerator or something else that goes in your home. But that's just how to determine whether you should, from a financial standpoint, strictly numbers, buy down the rates or not. Check out the other videos for more 2-minute home buying tips.